Hey folks, today I want to show you how you can create custom battery alerts for your MacBook. Now, what if your battery percentage alerts could look like this? Much more noticeable, right? Or maybe like this. You see, these battery alerts, in my opinion, are much more eye-catching, and they will actually make you want to go run, get your charger, or maybe just wrap up your work and close your MacBook before your work's going to be lost. Now, let me show you how you can install Juicy and how you can set it up. It's super easy. Now, if you have been using your MacBook out and about, from a coffee shop, from a plane, a train, whatever it is, you have run into the issue where your MacBook's about to die and the battery is, going down, there's 10% left, and you will see this battery alert. Now, if you're in the new version, macOS Tahoe, you might come across a battery alert that looks like this. However, this is all you get. This is what the default macOS provides you with. And I believe there could be something way better that actually makes you notice your battery percentage. And the tool we're going to use for this is called Juicy. Now, let me quickly show you what Juicy can do and then how you can install and use it. All we have to do is we simply go to getjuicy.app and just click the Download Juicy for Mac button here. Or if you want to, you can also just simply go to the App Store, and then depending on the time of you browsing this, Juicy right now is actually being featured by Apple on the homepage here. So you can just click here and download the app. However, if you don't see it on the homepage, you can also just type in Juicy here, and then you might have to click See Mac App Results, and then you will see Juicy being displayed here, and you can download it. All right, I already have downloaded it, but let me quickly show you how it looks like once you have it installed. All right, now I have just installed Juicy, and all you need to do is just go through this 3-step onboarding process. I'm just going to click on Next here, and what you will see here is Juicy's feature that will allow you to set custom battery alerts that look much more beautiful than your Mac native battery alerts. For example, we can have a battery alert at 3% with a glowing border, and it will look like this. And you can do the same thing for like 15%, have it come down from the top. You can play around with the settings, but we go on Next. And then in here, you can see in the middle section here, the appearance for the Mac battery icon. And we can go here and choose either minimal, which is the iPhone style, more compact battery icon, or we can go and choose the Juicy default one, which has a bit more color and it's just maybe a little bit more vibrant. And after we've done that, we just click here and finish, and that's basically it. From now on, Juicy will monitor your battery status, and depending on your alerts, it will notify when your battery is either going below a specific percentage or if it's going above a specific percentage. You can also click on the icon up here and you will see how much time you have left. And if you want to, you can also go into the battery information and see like really important information about your battery. You can see mine is kind of wrecked already, so probably I have to replace it soon. And if you want to, you can also go into the Juicy settings where you can change the menu bar icon again if you wanted to. And more importantly, you can change the alerts depending on what you want. You can also go here and have alerts for power source alerts. So for example, if you want to have an alert when you plug in your MacBook charger, you can certainly have that one as well. You can also have sounds depending on your alerts. You can choose from a variety of sounds here, but you can also even upload your custom sounds if you wanted to. You can add whatever you want. And also have an alert when we are unplugging. So I'm unplugging my MacBook right now. Boom, now I see how much I have left. And you can see these super ugly notifications are of the past. We will have much more beautiful notifications now. And last but not least, you can also go to the general settings here. And if you wanted to, you can play around with the settings here. You can make the alert bubble size bigger or smaller, depending on your preference. Also the screen edge glow. We can go very soft and subtle, for example, which will look like this. Very subtle. Or if you want to go crazy, bold, it will kind of look like this. So yeah, that's basically how Juicy works. Let me know if you have any questions and give it a try.